Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we put this one, go to the right. T we put on the right, r minus 2r squared we put on the left. Next, I will put negative on the left. And this negative will change the sign of this one in here. Next, we have r and r. We can do about factorization. Next, this one divided by this one, so we have only r. Now, we need to put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of r. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of t squared plus 1, and we put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.